Hi everyone, welcome to StartDevOps. So my name is Mahbub. Previous video I explained about what is DevOps, how DevOps will work and how DevOps solve the business problem and after DevOps, before DevOps. In this video I'm going to explain what is Linux, which is our fourth topic based on our roadmap. So please let me share my screen. Yeah, Linux. Our topic is Linux. So before we move to the next topic, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. And also join our community StartDevOps, as well as connect on my LinkedIn. Let's we learn Linux topics. What is Linux? What is Linux? Let me increase the size of font. Linux is nothing but it is an open source Unix operating system. Linux is nothing but Linux is an open source Unix-like operating system, kernel-based operating system, which is developed by Linux Torvald. Linux Torvald in the year of 1991. It is widely used operating system in the world. Linux is widely used operating system in the world. It has few distributions of families, Linux families. Numerous Ubuntu, then we have CentOS, CentOS, then we have Kali Linux, Kali Linux, Kali Linux, CentOS, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, many more. These are the favorite distributors in the IT industry, mostly used people. So before we go to deep dive into Linux, let's we recall our previous knowledge. As we already know the Windows operating system, Windows OS operating system, its architecture we already well know. First, we have here hardware. On top of that, we have firmware. On top of that, we have Windows OS. On top of that, we have applications. Similarly, in Linux also has the same architecture. We will draw here Linux OS architecture. First, we have hardware here. hardware. On top of that, we have kernel. On top of that kernel, we have shell. On top of shell, let me increase the size, page size. Yeah. On top of shell, we have applications. Yeah. This is Linux OS architecture. First, we have hardware which is CPU, RAM, eMMC, many more. What are the hardware components of a machine? That is called hardware. On top of that, we have a kernel. We have different OS-based kernels like Ubuntu, Fedora Linux, Kali Linux, and CentOS, many more. On top of that, we have shell. Here we will give a commands and we can communicate with the help of shell. On top of that, we have application which is BIM editor. These are all the application we are going to use. Yeah. So now we will learn the Linux life cycle. First, we power on computer or a machine. Then BIOS will come up here. After the BIOS, MBR, MBR. Then we have grub. After grub, we have kernel. After kernel, we have process. After process, machine will start. Our user can use the machine. Yeah, whenever we power on a computer or a machine, so the BIOS will up, which is basic input output of a system. It will send request to all input output devices. What are the input output devices? Mouse, keyboard, monitor, as well as speakers. These are all the input output devices. They will send a signal to them and receive a signal back. After that, we have MBR, MBR, master boot recorder. Here they will master boot. Let me decrease the size. Keep it regular and it should be 24. It's enough. Yeah. Master boot recorder. Here is a boot file which is 512 MB file will be here. It will come up. After that, it will move to the grub, which is grand unified loader. Grand unified loader, which means it will be load the what are the bootable files are there. It will load. After that, yeah, there is a mark is missing here. Let me keep the yeah, and also here also one mark is missing. Let me keep this here. Yeah, however, the bootloader will come up and it will load. It will select to the kernel. Kernel, we have different kind of operating system uh, flavors in that it will select anyone. What are we have installed? Suppose if you install Ubuntu, it will select Ubuntu. If you install CentOS, it will select the CentOS. After that, the process will be start. However, the process will start, so the end user can use the machine or a system. Their end user will come up with their credentials, login with their credentials, and he can start working. So, however, the machine is working. So, what we will do? We do similar tasks like we are creating files, directories, or a folder. We will create the directories, folders, and we edit the file, save the file, and share the file. So, these are all things we will see in upcoming video. So, hands-on and practically we will see in upcoming video. Till that, what we have learned means what is Linux, so who introduced the Linux and when it has been introduced, and then what are the flavors are available in Linux, and Windows OS architecture and Linux OS architecture, and Linux lifecycle. So till that, whatever I have explained, is there any doubt you can comment with me. And also if you feel any drawbacks in that video, please let me know. I have to update and share with my audience. So, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friend, as well as join our StartDevOps community, and also connect with me on LinkedIn. So till that, thank you. Have a great day.